Top 25 CalFresh interview questions and answers. CalFresh interviews can be a crucial step in securing food assistance for those in need. This video will highlight the top 25 questions you might encounter during the interview process, along with helpful answers to guide you. Understanding these questions can ease your anxiety and prepare you for your appointment. We aim to provide clarity and confidence, ensuring you know what to expect when applying for CalFresh benefits. 1. Can you explain what CalFresh is and who it serves? CalFresh, also known as the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, in California, provides nutritional assistance to low-income individuals and families. This program aims to alleviate hunger and improve food security by offering monthly benefits that can be used to purchase food. Eligibility typically includes various factors such as income, household size, and expenses. CalFresh serves diverse populations including families, seniors, and people with disabilities, ensuring that they have access to nutritious food options essential for their health and well-being. 2. Why do you want to work for CalFresh? I am passionate about helping low-income families access essential resources necessary for their well-being. Working for CalFresh offers an opportunity to directly impact the lives of individuals in need by providing them with access to nutritious food. I admire CalFresh's commitment to reducing hunger and promoting health equity. This role aligns with my values of social justice and community service. I believe my skills in communication and empathy would allow me to connect effectively with clients, guiding them through the application process and ensuring they receive the support they deserve. 3. What experience do you have working with low-income families or individuals? In my previous role as a community outreach coordinator, I worked closely with low-income families, providing resources and support for various needs. I conducted workshops on financial literacy, helping families understand budgeting and accessing assistance programs. Additionally, I volunteered at a local food bank, where I interacted with clients, gaining insight into their challenges. This experience has equipped me with the skills to empathize with clients, understand their unique situations, and effectively communicate available resources to help them navigate their circumstances. 4. How do you stay updated on changes in nutrition assistance programs? Staying updated on changes in nutrition assistance programs involves several strategies. I regularly follow official websites such as the USDA and state agencies for the latest policy updates. Attending webinars and training sessions enhances my understanding of program modifications and best practices. Networking with colleagues in the field also provides insights into emerging trends. Additionally, I subscribe to newsletters and join professional organizations focused on nutrition assistance, ensuring I receive timely information and resources relevant to my role. 5. Can you describe the eligibility requirements for CalFresh? CalFresh eligibility primarily depends on income, household size, and residency status. Applicants must meet income limits, which vary based on the federal poverty level and household size. Generally, gross income must be at or below 200% of the federal poverty line. In addition, applicants must be U.S. citizens or qualified non-citizens. Households must also provide necessary documentation to verify income, expenses, and identity. Special considerations apply for specific groups, such as the elderly or disabled, which may affect eligibility and benefit amounts. 6. What strategies would you use to help increase CalFresh enrollment? To help increase CalFresh enrollment, I would implement community outreach programs to raise awareness about the benefits of CalFresh. Collaborating with local organizations and food banks can facilitate access to resources and information. Hosting informational workshops and utilizing social media platforms would effectively engage the target audience. Additionally, simplifying the application process and providing assistance in multiple languages can help eliminate barriers. Building relationships with community leaders and advocates can also promote trust and encourage eligible individuals to apply. 7. How would you handle a situation where an applicant becomes frustrated during the application process? In such a situation, I would first remain calm and empathetic. Listening actively to the applicant's concerns is crucial, as it helps them feel heard and valued. I would acknowledge their frustration and reassure them that I am there to assist them. Providing clear explanations about the process and what to expect can alleviate some anxiety. If necessary, I would offer to take a short break to allow them to gather their thoughts. My goal would be to rebuild trust and facilitate a positive experience, ensuring they have the support needed to complete their application successfully. 8. Are you familiar with the SNAP program and its regulations? How do they compare to CalFresh? Yes, I am familiar with the SNAP program, which stands for the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. It is a federal assistance program designed to provide nutrition benefits to eligible low-income individuals and families. CalFresh, the California version of SNAP, operates under similar guidelines but also includes certain state-specific regulations. Both programs aim to reduce food insecurity, allowing participants to purchase food items. However, CalFresh may have additional benefits and resources tailored to California residents, such as local outreach initiatives and culturally relevant food options. 9. What do you know about the Electronic Benefit Transfer (EBT) card system? The Electronic Benefit Transfer (EBT) card system allows CalFresh recipients to access their benefits electronically. Instead of receiving paper stamps, clients get a card similar to a debit card, which they can use at authorized retailers to purchase eligible food items. EBT transactions are confidential and secure, ensuring that users can access their benefits easily. The system also helps reduce fraud and improves efficiency in distributing assistance. Understanding how the EBT system works is crucial for helping clients navigate their benefits effectively. 10. How would you explain the CalFresh recertification process to a client? The CalFresh recertification process involves reviewing a client's information to determine ongoing eligibility for benefits. I would explain that clients need to complete a recertification application, which typically occurs every 12 months. They must provide updated details about their income, household size, and expenses. I'd emphasize the importance of submitting the application on time to avoid interruptions in benefits. Additionally, I would encourage clients to gather necessary documentation, such as pay stubs or rent receipts, to facilitate the process. It's also crucial that they keep appointments for interviews or follow-ups to ensure a smooth recertification experience. 11. What experience do you have with conducting interviews or assessments? My experience in conducting interviews and assessments comes from working in social services, where I interacted with clients from diverse backgrounds. I have facilitated intake interviews, guided clients through application processes, and conducted assessments to determine their needs. I focus on creating a comfortable environment, encouraging open communication, and ensuring that clients feel heard. I utilize active listening techniques and effective questioning strategies to gather relevant information while maintaining a respectful and empathetic approach throughout the process. 12. How do you ensure confidentiality when handling sensitive client information? Ensuring confidentiality involves implementing strict protocols for handling sensitive information. I prioritize secure storage of client files, both physical and digital, using password-protected systems and locked cabinets. During conversations, I limit discussions about client information to private settings and only share details with authorized personnel when necessary. Regular training on confidentiality policies reinforces the importance of privacy. I also encourage clients to discuss their concerns and ensure they understand their rights regarding their personal information. This trust building is essential for a successful client relationship. 13. Can you explain the concept of expedited services in CalFresh? Expedited services in CalFresh allow eligible individuals and families to receive their benefits more quickly, typically within 3 days of applying. This is designed for those facing immediate food insecurity, such as individuals experiencing homelessness or recent job loss. To qualify, applicants must meet specific criteria, including income limits and urgent needs. The expedited process ensures that vulnerable populations receive timely assistance, enabling them to access nutritious food and stabilize their situations during crises. It highlights the program's commitment to addressing urgent nutritional needs effectively. 14. What would you do if you suspected fraud in a CalFresh application? If I suspected fraud in a CalFresh application, I would first gather all relevant information and evidence that supports my suspicion. It's crucial to remain objective and avoid jumping to conclusions. Next, I would follow the established protocols for reporting fraud within the agency. This often involves documenting my findings and submitting them to the appropriate department for investigation. Throughout the process, I would ensure that I maintain confidentiality and treat the applicant with respect, as they are entitled to due process. Addressing potential fraud is essential for maintaining program integrity. 15. How would you assist a client who doesn't speak English fluently? When assisting a client who doesn't speak English fluently, the first step is to ensure effective communication. I would utilize bilingual staff members or interpreters to facilitate the conversation and provide clear information about the CalFresh program. Additionally, I would offer written materials in their preferred language, ensuring they understand all aspects of the application process. Patience is essential. I would encourage questions and repeat important information as needed. Building rapport is key, as it helps the client feel comfortable and valued, making the process smoother for both parties. 16. What strategies would you use to verify an applicant's income and expenses? Verifying an applicant's income and expenses involves several strategies. First, I would request relevant documentation such as pay stubs, tax returns, or bank statements. This provides a clear picture of their financial situation. Additionally, I would conduct a thorough interview, asking specific questions about income sources and regular expenses, including rent, utilities, and childcare. It's essential to cross-check the information provided with any available public records or databases. Lastly, maintaining open communication with the applicant ensures that any discrepancies can be addressed promptly and transparently. 17. How do you stay organized when managing multiple cases? Staying organized while managing multiple cases requires a structured approach. I utilize digital tools such as case management software and calendar reminders to track deadlines and appointments. Prioritizing tasks based on urgency and complexity helps me focus on what needs immediate attention. Regularly reviewing case notes and maintaining a checklist ensures no detail is overlooked. I also set aside dedicated time blocks for case reviews and follow-ups, allowing for a systematic and thorough handling of each case while minimizing stress and confusion. 18. Can you explain the importance of the interview process in CalFresh applications? The interview process in CalFresh applications is crucial for several reasons. It serves as an opportunity to clarify information provided by the applicant, ensuring that all details are accurate and complete. This step helps assess eligibility by allowing caseworkers to gather necessary income and expense data. Additionally, interviews enable staff to build rapport with clients, making them feel comfortable and supported while navigating the application process. This personal interaction can also help identify unique needs, allowing for tailored assistance that improves access to benefits for low-income families. 19. How would you handle a situation where an applicant is missing required documentation? In such a situation, I would first empathize with the applicant to acknowledge their frustration or stress. Then, I would explain the specific documents needed and the importance of each for their application process. I would offer guidance on how they can obtain the necessary documentation, including providing possible resources or contacts that can assist them. If feasible, I would allow them to submit their application conditionally and follow up with the missing documents later, ensuring they still have access to benefits during this time. 20. What do you know about work requirements for CalFresh recipients? CalFresh recipients are generally required to meet certain work requirements to maintain their benefits. Able-bodied adults without dependents, ABAWDs, must work at least 20 hours per week or participate in a qualifying work program. There are exemptions, such as for those who are elderly, disabled, or caring for dependents. Recipients need to report their work hours and any changes in their employment status to ensure compliance. It's essential to provide support and resources to help participants meet these requirements, which can include job training programs and employment referrals. 21. How would you explain the benefits calculation process to a client? The benefits calculation process for CalFresh involves assessing a client's household income, expenses, and family size. I would start by explaining that CalFresh uses a formula to determine eligibility and calculate the monthly benefit amount. I would break down the process into clear steps, including how we consider gross income, allowable deductions such as housing costs or childcare, and the maximum benefit amount based on the household size. It's essential to communicate that this calculation is designed to ensure clients receive adequate support for purchasing nutritious food. 22. What experience do you have with case management software? I have extensive experience using case management software such as Salesforce and Apricot. These platforms enabled me to efficiently track client interactions, manage case files, and document progress. I have utilized these tools for scheduling appointments, monitoring eligibility, and ensuring compliance with program requirements. My familiarity with data entry and reporting features has helped streamline workflows and improve communication within the team. This experience has equipped me to leverage technology effectively in supporting clients throughout their journey with CalFresh. 23. How would you approach educating clients about nutrition and healthy food choices? Educating clients about nutrition and healthy food choices involves a multifaceted approach. First, I would assess their current knowledge and dietary habits through open conversations. Then, I would provide personalized information that is culturally relevant and easy to understand. Interactive workshops or cooking demonstrations can make learning engaging. I would also share resources like pamphlets, online tools, and community programs that promote healthy eating. Encouraging clients to set small, achievable goals can help them feel empowered and motivated to improve their nutritional choices. 24. Can you describe a time when you had to deliver difficult news to a client or colleague? Delivering difficult news can be a challenging yet essential part of the job. I recall an instance where I had to inform a client that their application for assistance had been denied due to missing documentation. I approached the conversation with empathy, acknowledging their situation and the stress it might cause. I clearly explained the reasons for the denial and walked them through the steps needed to rectify the issue, ensuring they understood how to provide the necessary documents for reconsideration. This approach helped maintain trust and encourage them to take the next steps. 25. What questions would you ask an applicant during a CalFresh interview to ensure a comprehensive assessment? During a CalFresh interview, I would ask questions that cover various aspects of the applicant's situation. For instance, I would inquire about household size, income sources, and monthly expenses. Questions like, what is your total monthly income? And, do you have any dependents living with you? Would be essential. I would also explore their living situation by asking, are you renting or owning your home? Additionally, it's important to discuss any special circumstances, such as medical expenses or disabilities, by asking, do you have any ongoing medical costs that we should consider? These questions help create a full picture of the applicant's eligibility. In this video, we've covered the top 25 CalFresh interview questions and their answers to help you prepare for your interview with confidence. Understanding these questions can make a significant difference in your application process, ensuring you are well informed and ready to discuss your eligibility. We hope you found this information helpful and empowering as you navigate through CalFresh. If you enjoyed the content, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful videos. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable resources for everyone.